Okay, we will now start. Let me see. We will now start. Just get all things in order first. Let me turn on this also, maybe. That could help. So, in this session, as always, we are going to go through 3-4 Forex pairs. Then we'll jump over to do some binary option trading. And then we'll jump basically back forward from there. I do have Forex and binary option sessions just like this one every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday between 7:30 and 8:30 GMT -3. Now, as always, let's check investing.com. If there are any news we need to be careful with for today. So let's go to news, economic calendar. If you want any explanation why we should use news, just check any of my other live videos. I can't be explaining this every single time, but just check. I have done in every video to now, but start to get old. So now let's see. We now are at this line you see here. So 7:26 says for me now. We can see 9. And this is my time you see up here, GMT -3. So this follows my own time zone. You can see there are quite a lot of 3-star news today. Quite a lot actually for euro and dollar. There are, let me check how many there are. For dollar there are 1, 2, 3, 4 3-star news, and for euro it's 1, 2, 3. So 7 3-star news that will impact the market today. So yes, today we need to be careful. So that's up to you. I will give signals as always, but it's up to you to follow the news. Now, we won the gold trade yesterday. That was the only trade we did, by the way. And was a good trade. Now let's unmark everything and let's see what we can find in today's market. Now, what can we see here? We broke down, we came to the start of the trend and we broke even more down. So with that, I can't see that much we can do in market. But yes, gold have lost value for a little while now, so it's a downward trend. But it's not a beautiful trend. It's not like we can drag a trend line and get a beautiful downtrend. So it's a little difficult to take the short trades. But yes, when you have opportunities, we should short gold. But also we have this short-term long trades, and we've been successful with them also. So, but currently where we are in the market now, we can't see nothing. GBP USD, we can see we broke up above this support. Was tested, we broke down. Then we had the 3 test and we broke up, and now we have 1 test. I don't feel this support resistance, now it's support, do not seem that strong for me. The overall trend line, we can say it's around here. So I rather want to wait till I come down to this line. I will stay patient in the market. And if you want something short term, you can see we have something that looks like this, and we have something that looks like this. So you can see we come into more like a little squeeze here pretty soon. So based on this squeeze, for me it looks like a little break to the upside. only because we have, no, I think that is the, because we have support and we have this. From the upside we just have the trend line. So we have more force pushing the market up than we have it down. And the overall trend is upwards also. So I feel quite comfortable that we are going to take a up trade here. But I am a type of person, I like to have yeah, I like to see the market do something first, and then I want to act on it. So currently how we in the market now, still this can push it down. So two targets in that way would be either down here, this target, or this target. But I feel it's a little higher chance this smart target up here. But for now, I'm not trading in this. Now, GBP, GPY, Japanese yen have done terribly. Lost a lot of value over a very long time, so here in zoom out. All the way from here up to here. So yes, Japanese yen is not doing good at all. But the way I see the market now, I can't trade it. So we are moving fast through every pair here now. Now for euro against Australian dollar. Australian dollar, let me see. Australian dollar is stronger than euro right now. What can we see here now? I don't like it because of the spikes here. It's not something we can trade. It's very difficult to trade a pair that is so manipulated like this. You see that is manipulation. But yes, we're getting close to our trend line, but as of these things, it's not tradable. So that was 4 pairs for you. Nothing to do. We did go a little too fast. We only used 3 minutes, so let's see if we can take a couple more. Here also we are moving too hard up. It's not my trading style to do anything here. Euro against British pound. Let's see if we can find something here. Okay. Here maybe we have something. We just broke up a bound and we have a retest. Now let's see. Try to mark it up the way we mark the most. So you see it's something, not perfectly, but it's something like this. Maybe there. So we would rather want to be down on this line, but we have the support now that probably will hold. And we can't take a trade up to the top point because it's too small. So for now we need to wait. Some days we find a lot of trades and some days it's like this, we find almost nothing. Now let's see what's going on here. Looks like we have the support down here. Now let's see. We see that we have some type of trend downwards here. because we have 3-point entries. In that way, we would like to take a short trade up here instead of a long trade down here. And then we follow the overall trend also. So one more that I just need to stay away from. And here we have our, wait, I got a message, let's see what that is. Was nothing. Here also we want to take trade close to the trend line at least. We form this ugly M, and now we come up to here. It looks like we get a retest of this area here, and probably will go up from here. Problem, this area is not that strong. You see, broke easily here, we broke easily here, and we broke easily here. So this support here, resistance, no support, is not that strong. So I don't believe that we can base anything on this support. But if I trade a support, resistance need to be strong, and this one here is not that strong. So we've gone through so many pairs already, and I don't find nothing. That is quite sad actually. Here we see we have a downtrend. We are coming down to this support area. Here we're basically going to get a squeeze very soon. So you can see it looks like this. We have a horizontal line here. But it's just a small area. Basically it's up to here we can take the trade. So not so cool. Okay, here maybe we can have our first trade. Let's see if we can play a little with this line. Let's see how this could look like. I do not like to have these spikes, but let's see. This is maybe our only chance for a trade today. So if we then target, don't like it so much, but let's see. I think we take it there. Wait, it's, wait, what happened now? Okay. Forex long trade for out USD and at. Let's see now. We enter here, stop loss, and take profit. And like I said before, while I write, of course the market will move. I can't put the brake on the market. So if you want to take the trades, you need to do it while I talk. While actually, when I've decided for a trade, we need to go for it if you want to copy. Sometimes it can be that you get a better position if you wait, sometimes you lose the trade all over. So it will be more up to you what you want to do in the end. Now I will take this trade, and I think I did post a little wrong, so let's let it be. So just bear with me while I do this. And okay, so then we can mark that one as done. Let's save it. Let's move it to the top. Okay, we got a trade. Then I think we can move over to some binary option. Let's see. Let's find our password. Okay, we are in. Now what we want to do is see if we can find our trade. We find something very fast here, I see. Let's take a line here. Let's make it green. There. 30. We are 100. We are ready. So binary options by line for edit cut. We are in. At 089 777 90. Okay, let's put for closed. There. There. Okay. Let's post that for you here first. We already are in, but now we need to post it. Let's see. And we won $98 profit. Let's put that up in the calculations. In again. And more $98. Let's see. Then we have $196 profit. One more win. 294. Let's see. So right now this is a very good line to trade on. So there you see hedging again, how that can prevent us to lose much money. We just go both ways, and a losing trade lost us only $2 and all winnings made us 98. Now let's see if we can find something more. So yes, here you see hedging for you. How we can make money in the market both ways and how we keep our losses minimum. I can't stress enough for you that you need to implement this into your strategy, because then you print money and you never have big losses. Okay, so now let's move on. We are done with this pair. Let's see if we find something more. Now let's see. We have something in the top here, but we are currently a little far away, but I think we can at least mark it up and we can follow, so maybe we can get to this one later in the session, as we have quite much of the session left. So I think we can do that. Let's write that one. Binary options sell live for out GPY at 991 9668. Let's take a screenshot of that. Let's post that for you all here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's the first one. We will follow a little. We're a little far away now, so we don't need to be here looking at it right now. Let's look for the next. We have one in the top here, but as we have this one up and running a little closer, I don't think we need to follow this one. Let's take one more. Okay. Here in the bottom, I would have called that one if it was not for these 3 spikes. Here I don't see nothing. Nothing. Down here we probably have something. Let's see. Let's turn this one to green. Binary options buy line for out at 1:52:54:85. Let's post that for you all here. One more to follow. This one is running in profit, by the way. That's nice. Let's take a screenshot of this one also. Now let's just follow a little to see. Getting close. Let's change it to 30. We are ready. We see we need to break this support down here first. It's relatively strong. Let's now zoom in to see if our line is good. I like the line, so we keep it like that. Now we just need to break this support here for us to come into our trading area down here. Just need a little stronger push down and we have it. Looks like once again this support here is holding. Let's take a look at the other one. It's also getting closer to the line, but this one is the closest one till now. While we wait, we can easily look for another trade. Here we see nothing. 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 Okay, here we have something. Let's mark it. Let's make it red. Binary options sell line for USD at, change it to 30 if you go up, at 0.91 26.61. Let's post that for you up here. Let's be ready to take the trade. Now let's see. We're ready. So a screenshot. That's it, almost in. And we're in. We did not hedge this time because I was writing. That is annoying. That is super annoying. That is the problem when I'm writing. I don't manage to trade properly. that I hate when that happen, that I'm so into writing that I lose a trade. Then our profit did fall $100, so 194. No, I hate when I try to do too many things at the same time, so I forget about the trading part. Because we should, right away he broke the line, we should have done hedge trade, and I was writing and I did not follow, and when I did see it was already too late. I need to be better to think about the trading part and write after, but I like to document what I'm doing also, and then that breaks a little the trading part. But yes, I'm super annoyed. Because is it one thing I hate? When I have a way that is working to trade and I don't manage to follow it myself. So this did annoy me because I should only have $5 loss on this one. Now let's see. Yeah, no, that did annoy me. Okay, let's move on. I don't see nothing down there. See nothing here. No, that did really annoy me. Nothing to do with now. Too late. Now let's see if we can just find something else so you can get some money back. No. Okay, we have something in the top here. Let's mark it. Binary options sell line for GBP USD at 119.39.49. Now let's see. If we can get in some trades here. We will though follow the ones we had from before. Okay. Looks like you're a little far away for now. We need to break this resistance here. If we can do so, we might have something. Okay, looks like he's breaking up. No. Let's move on. New Zealand. Let's see if they have something for us. Here we have something. 30. Primary options. Sell line for and set the USD at. I don't want to lose a trade here now, just because I'm writing again. 0.619926. Problem for me is that when I send these signals, I lost so much concentration about the trade. I hate it. I need to find a better way to do this, because I don't like to lose trades also. So I'm posting 4 places to get the most people to join our trading. No, at least no time, but we lost one trading opportunity once again. Now let's see. Yeah, we break down from there now. You see, we had the trade and we did not take it. Now let's see if one of our other pairs are getting closer to our trading areas. Not for now. Yes, this was a very nice line for a while. Now I'm scared that this will turn into resistance, that it will not come up again. I think he will stop where we are right now. Let's see. Stop here, because now this will turn into resistance. Could even have traded this one, because I knew he was not going to break up so easily. So he's been trying for so long time, he don't just break up there now. Or does he? Now let's see. That should be the strong resistance. Small resistance, strong resistance. Let's see. I don't see us come up to the trading zone right now. Thankfully, looks like I'm wrong. He's coming up again. Let's change it to 30 seconds and be ready to go in. We are ready. I'm still not taking the trade. Here in. This time I wait and go both ways. somehow this time we lost the hedging and another one. That is something that is very rare. So in that way we did bad. Now let's see, we have 300, let's see, minus 300 plus 195, so just $89 profit for now. Now let's see if we can fix this. So now that was disappointing. Let's see. That is very rare. We get a hedge trade that go wrong. But we are still in profit at least. So now I would like to have a 3-4 trade so we can turn this into a good profit. Let's see. Let's see if this is the line, we will fix it. I disregard this one up here. Let's look over the other ones also. Okay. Now let's see. Now he's going the wrong way again. And that looks like he won't be doing any trades on the other line side there. Okay, let's move on. Nothing. We will jump a little back forward here to see. Currently we are nothing. 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 And the last pair of the day. Nothing. So then let's go back here. Just for 30. Let's see if we can come up again. So yes, it's just a small $89 profit. That is pathetic. But let's see if we just could get some of the other ones here to start coming to trading zone. Now we are getting close here. Let's out GPY. Now let's see if you can get in some trades here. That would be nice. Now it looks like we get one here again. Now let's see. Now we got a reaction. We are ready. Let's zoom in. Let's take a look here while we're waiting. And we take 30 seconds and we lost the entry there. That was annoying once again. We're just a few seconds late. Here in. That's it. See how this turns out. This looks to be a disaster. And this was a disaster. Then I think it's time for me to stop for today. This did turn out super bad. Got too emotional, interested in this trade. I did basically push too many times. My finger got a little slippery. Look at this. We basically, I should have just taken one, of course, but then I did take two and did take two, and it did basically just go back forward into each trade like I was. Yeah, sometimes you feel the market is manipulated. Of course it's not, but this time it really felt, because we got all hedging trades always, they were basically just lost up down perfectly, like it was synchronized, you know. So yeah, that did break a little the day for me here now. We basically got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $600 loss trade there now. We can take a look here now. If we can repair it with one $700 trade, as I have account to do so, up on this line. That is the only way we can repair this now. I know we should not repair things, but it's amount that fits my account. Now let's wait and see. Now let's see if we can get a little more up. We will think about taking a big trade up there. Now let's see. We are ready. Let's make it 1,000. Now let's see, let's go for a big trader now. Let's make it a little exciting in the ending bell here now. I will trade for more. Let me see how the timer. 3 more minutes. So if you get a trade in 3 minutes, let's do a big trade and let's see how it turns out. Well, let's see. I refuse to have a losing session. So yes, you can see I have emotions also. Emotions can play with you. That's how it is. But yes, today hedging have not worked so good. Have worked good for a long time, but today the market was reacting very strange for my trading, I need to admit. Now let's see. It did manage somehow to get all trades wrong. He broke, so I don't feel... No, he didn't break. Let's see. If I had pushed it down, then we would have won. Kind of annoying. That was a little scared to push, because I thought he was going to break. There you have it. I would have won on this one. So even though emotional, I was too scared to act on the trade. Let's see if we can get it here. Let's take the 30 seconds. I mean, bad entry. Now, let's see. Looks like that will be a winner at least. Thank God for that. Let's follow and see. 10 seconds, yes. Then we turn at profit at least. Okay, now let's see. We lost, we had $89. So then we lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Let's take it to the side. I think we see better. The profit I made, but let's see how much. You don't want to take it to the side? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. So it's 7. So 700 we lost. Then we got 950. So 250 we can say extra. 250. 339. Okay, at least we made profit. So I'm happy with that then. Then I will not trade more. I will brush off my emotionalness. At least we made profit in the end. And thankfully the line got broken now and not in the big trade. So now we're back to $100 trades. Let's see the timer. The timer says we're done. I think that is good. So then have an amazing day, and I see you all again tomorrow same time. So that have an amazing day.